Alrighty then. At the church, we all know the drill, right? Take off. Record takeoff.
0 feet altitude, 7 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 98% battery.
Up, up, and away. A little dark and dreary, but I got another hour of daylight. It's only 6 o'clock. We sprung ahead and fell back. Well, today's Tuesday, so we did that Saturday. Away he goes.
299 feet altitude, 355 feet distance, 14 miles per hour, 93% battery.
Video's probably going to be a little grainy because it's darker out. It's overcast, even though we got like another hour of sunset. So in this, I'm going to insert this video, a little piece I shot today from when I always talk about, I send in, weather photos to the local TV station here. And I was on the news again today, so I recorded it on my phone, and I'm gonna insert it into this so you can just see what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about.
How about this? We got a photo, and this is a picture from a gentleman, Dennis, at the Amazon building over a site that they're building in Skodak, and that's a great picture there. What a huge facility! It is huge, isn't it? It must be a drone shot. Yeah, it's a drone shot, definitely, and that is a big facility, huh? Wow, for sure.
Yeah, we're not exactly screaming here. Looking for my keys. I got a good headwind. I took a picture from the other side of the building. I was flying from the cemetery a couple days ago. And that's where I got the still I sent in.
299 feet altitude, 2,513 feet distance, 16 miles per hour, 85% battery.
I noticed when I was over here, too, I thought I saw a backhoe over at the storage sheds. Well, actually, I know I did. I didn't notice it when I was flying. But when I was watching the video, I saw it. I'm guessing they might be putting another unit in. Storage units, I can't tell. Can't see over there yet. I better pause this for 1 second and do a video or a focus check. It's nothing to focus on. There we go.
299 feet altitude, 3,343 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 80% battery.
Better safe than sorry. Starting to feel some raindrops. But it's not really that bad. So I'm going to take a look at this over here. Yeah, I definitely saw a backhoe digging back here. I don't know, maybe they plan on putting another unit in.
299 feet altitude. 4,100 feet distance. 8 miles per hour. 76% battery.
Really can't tell what they're doing from here, but when I see it on the big screen, I'll probably be able to. They're either, it's kind of a dangerous hill back there. It's like a big cliff and it's dug out, and there's always rocks tumbling down and stuff, and somebody could probably get hurt. Yeah, it's a little breezy up there. I haven't done my low-level mission this week because
299 feet altitude. 4,768 feet distance. 16 miles per hour. 72% battery.
I like to go on Sunday, but the weather's been bad. Windy, really windy, and muddy. So, but now with the sun setting at 7, I can pretty much do a low level every day after 6 o'clock because there's not going to be anybody here. So that's cool. Very hard to judge the light. There's lots of stuff on the ground too. Picking up wind here.
300 feet altitude. 4,468 feet distance. 10 miles per hour. 68% battery.
As soon as I made the turn, it slowed down again. Okay. Constantly play with the light. Yeah, this will probably be a little grainy. Oh well. About I finished that corner.
.300 feet altitude. 3,414 feet distance. 13 miles per hour. 63% battery.
Flew over Sunday, and that far corner was the last part of the roof to be covered, and it's covered already in 2 days. I always say these guys are freaking amazing. Somebody's down there. Is there any cars working? That's where all the workers, employees work, or park. I gotta get a new mouth. I cannot speak. I can hear the train all the way where I'm at.
299 feet altitude. 4,159 feet distance. 15 miles per hour. 59% battery.
And the train tracks are way the hell dead ahead beyond the open fields out there. About 4 or 5 miles away, and you can hear it. I don't think the mic will pick it up, but I got one more short orbit. This is going very slowly. I'm gonna have to, well, probably gonna, I'll get the tailwind on the
298
way
feet
back.
altitude. 4,961 feet distance. 25 miles per hour. 54% battery.
I'll get back lickety split. $9.90. %52 battery, gotta watch. Got a couple of little wet spots on my screen, but not bad.
$299 feet altitude. 3,716 feet distance. 18 miles per hour. 49% battery.
I'm waiting to get my tax return to use it for a car, but I made a mistake in my taxes and I had to fax a freaking document they sent back over, so it's delayed. And my girlfriend lets me use her car. She's cool about that. I shared the car with my son. He moved out, which was fine. He's 27. I moved out when I was 18.
$300 feet altitude. 4,314 feet distance. 9
The
miles
light
per
keeps
hour.
changing?
45% battery.
Starting to pick up a little bit on the rain. But it's not that bad. So I'm going to let her come back after we do this here. It's going into position to get my still. I'm going to stop it when it gets there. Okay.
300 feet altitude. 5,312 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 40% battery.
Position. It keeps drifting on me. Right there's a good stilt. Right there. Snap. Okay. It's going to come back. Rain's picking up a wee bit. Not too bad though.
$299 feet altitude. 5,236 feet distance. 20 miles per hour. 36% battery.
When I first started doing this, it was in the summer and there was thunderstorms in the area and it was like real kind of hairy. It was just like the weather was so dynamic. It was like blue sky one side, black sky the other. And I got myself in the middle of a downpour. And the problem was that being an idiot and I wasn't supposed to be at 700 feet, but I was. And it was pouring out. And the drone was way up there. And I don't know if anybody knows, if you ever tried to go up really high, it takes a long time for it to come back down. Seemed like it was fucking forever. I wound up, I had to catch the drone out of the air. It was pouring out. And I got
299 feet altitude, 4,199 feet distance, 20 miles per hour, 31% battery.
Got it in the case. There's a woodchuck over there. I got it in the case and I'm walking home. And by the time I got home, I was so wet I had to walk in the back door and just throw my clothes right in the washing machine. It's coming home now.
Mission ended.
I gotta take over. I get home faster this way. Starting to rain too. I'm playing around today.
298 feet altitude, 2,379 feet distance, 39 miles per hour, 26% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 25%.
There we are. I'll do auto land because I'm right here.
Warning, aircraft battery at 23%.
No, it's going to climb now and come back.
195 feet altitude, 27 feet distance, 1 miles per hour, 22% battery.
A little bit shorter flight than usual, but it was windy and it's just weird. It does not feel windy here.
Warning, aircraft battery at 21%.
Here we go. That looks good. Yeah, it's coming down a little harder with the rain, so we're done here. We're gonna get rain in and out all night.
Warning, aircraft battery at 19%.
Trying to get over here.
Minus 8 feet altitude, 11 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 17% battery.
So from my orientation, forward was sideways. All right, well that wasn't bad. It did start to rain. It's getting a little
Warning,
wet.
aircraft battery at 15%.
So I'm gonna get out of here before I turn into a pumpkin. D-dub out.